In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now it's time to select the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be one from your own wallpapers, something from your gallery, or you can pick something from wallpaper services, and you can choose which one should be applied. But I will go with my wallpapers. And here you've got some of them. Also, if you will download something, it will be under downloaded album. But let me pick those. And it can be, for example, this one. Finally, decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will pick both. Here you can take a look how it will look like, and then confirm that you would like to activate it by tapping on Set on Lock and Home Screens. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied, and from now on this picture is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. Here it is. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.